Alright, so CPNB refresh. New tensioner. Things to note with the tensioner. There's a spacer behind there. Do not lose it. Make sure it gets reinstalled. Otherwise it will cause this not to be aligned correctly. This is an INA kit. I replaced idler number 1 down there. Idler number 2 right there. And you will need triple squares. I had to use M12, that's for the main serpentine tensioner. M10, that is for the smooth tensioner here. And then M8, that is for the ribbed tensioner, which is difficult to see. There we go. So one thing to note, I was afraid this bolt for this smooth tensioner comes out very far and hits the fan. As you can see, my fan moves a little bit. Well, I didn't quite put my front end into service position. I'm stubborn, and I thought this should be a simple job. So what did I do? Okay, I took these bolts off. I don't think it's even necessary. What was more important was removing this shroud. There's a couple of clips here, a couple Torx there. Pulled the air box out just for space and visibility. It's very simple. These clips here for the radiator. You just put needle nose pliers to disengage this tab and pull straight up. Then, look. Oh, you get like another 1/4 to 1/2 inch. That was all I needed to get that bolt out. So, that was it. That's done. Now I don't have to sweat that. And I did not change the alternator pulley because I don't feel like pulling the alternator, and I don't think I had the clearance. So hopefully this resolves my noise issue I had. Thanks for watching.